Give us your philosophical take on entanglement. Entanglement being the quantum mechanical effect that when two particles become entangled, their properties, such as spin, becomes a mutual property. They share that property such that when I measure one, I know what the other one is. But at any given time, through the evolution of that particle before I measure it, it could be a number of different variables with equal probability. And so the analogy that I would use for the way that I interpret that, my philosophy about entanglement, is like a decision. Like you go to a restaurant and they have great vegetarian food, they have a large abundance, and you have no idea what you want, and two properties are equally attractive, and you make a decision at some point. Once you've done that, you'll have confirmation bias, and that confirmation bias says that you're going to want that decision after the fact. And so that to me is like entanglement. You could go either way. You could be spin up or spin down, and your decision could go either way. And once you make that decision, then the confirmation bias takes place. It's that way from then on. And that would be the best analogy that I can come up with for entanglement. I know I did talk about in the prior video how I use entanglement in a paper I published to explain neutrino oscillation. That neutrinos actually aren't oscillating, that they're just interacting with material as they go through. Even though it's ever so slightly, it's enough for an entanglement to occur, which means that those properties, their flavor, gets entangled. So it's basically saying the flavor can be entangled with neutrinos in the same way that spin can be entangled with electrons or protons or atoms or anything of that nature. So I hope that helps. To me, quantum entanglement it's actually not mysterious unless you try to red pill, blue pill it and say it's either one or the other, and once you fix one, the other's fixed, but it's always that way all the way through. Unlike the red pill and blue pill with entanglement, you actually can have red or blue pill in both sides. It comes back basically to quantum mechanics in Schrodinger's cat. It can be any of a number of different states, and the video is probably already too long. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.